Welcome back. In previous session we discussed about the variable. In today's session we are going to understand what is the link between variable and variant. How to link the variable to the variant. This is one program RKCOOKP. This program will be used for OKP1 transaction code. OKP1 transaction code is for open and close controlling periods. Open and close controlling periods. Open and close controlling period. Now this is the selection screen of this program. In this selection screen we entered these information here: controlling area, fiscal year, frame period, to period, version, business transactions. The purpose of this T code is to open the controlling period on change of a period. Now we are in July. When the date is changed to August, system should automatically open the controlling period. That is the concept here. But if I mention like this 1 to 12 or like 7, it is constant only. We already discussed this in previous one. Now what we are doing, after entering this information, we will save this as a variant. Once you click on the save, you will get this screen. Means this screen will get appear. In this screen, you choose what are the dynamic fields you want to update dynamically. Like year is dynamic, period is dynamic, to period is dynamic. So here, if you see this selection variable here, for each one you have to select here T. T means table variable from TVARVC. That is the link. Here what we are informing to the system, this fiscal year value, take it from this table, TVARVC table. Under this table there are many variables. Go and take the value from RV actual year. That is the concept of variable. That is the link between variable and variant. So similarly, period also, from period to period, we are informing to the system, take the value from this table, TVARVC. Under this we have many variables. Take the value of RV actual month. Okay, we will go to the table here. This is the RV actual month and RV actual year. These are the values 1/2016. If you save like this, whatever the values in this table, automatically, for example, now here I have 01 and 2016. What we entered here, 2018, 2012. Once you save this information, again if you come back to the variable, system will automatically change this information. Here you will find 2016 and 0101, because these values system will take from this table, TVARVC table, and from these variables. Okay, how to update this table means, there is a program called RVSet date. You have to automate this. You have to schedule one background job. Before scheduling any automation work for this job, you have to schedule this one. For example, you want to open the period at 2 a.m. in the morning. Once the day period is changed, before 2 a.m. what we will do, at 1:50 or 1:30 a.m. we will schedule the job for this one. Then system will update the values here, current month and current year. When after this update, if system execute this program, then system will pick the current month and current year values. Hope you understand the link between variable and variants. In next session, what we are going to do, we are going to create one variable and we are going to do practically in the system SAP. Thank you very much.